If you're someone who loves to shop and wants to get a little something back for your efforts, Rakuten is definitely worth considering. It's a cashback service that partners with over 3,500 stores, including major retailers like Sephora, Nordstrom, and even restaurants and travel bookings. Here's how it works: you sign up for free, shop through Rakuten's website, mobile app, or browser extension, and earn cash back on your purchases. The best part? They send your earnings via PayPal or check every few months, and in some cases, you can even get paid as soon as 15 days after your first purchase. In fact, they've already paid out over $3.6 billion to their users since 1999, and the service has a community of over 21 million members, which shows just how much people appreciate what Rakuten offers. One of the key advantages of Rakuten is how easy it is to use, whether you're shopping on your desktop using the mobile app or installing their browser extension. The process is smooth and simple. You don't have to go to Rakuten's site first. The extension will notify you when a cashback offer is available, and it can even apply the best coupons for you automatically. Plus, the app also offers cashback on in-store purchases when you link your card, so you're not just limited to online shopping. The fact that you can earn up to 5% cashback on dining with the app is a pretty sweet bonus too. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While Rakuten is a great way to earn cashback, you can only earn it if you shop through their platform, which might feel like an extra step compared to regular shopping. It also takes a while to receive your cashback, typically around 20 to 100 days for online purchases and even longer for travel bookings. Some people might find this wait a bit frustrating, especially if they're used to instant gratification. Plus, there's the $5 minimum requirement before you can cash out, which means if you're making small purchases, it could take a while to accumulate enough for a payout. Still, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. Rakuten is free to join and offers plenty of opportunities to save across a huge variety of stores. If you're someone who shops often, Rakuten can be a passive way to earn some extra money just by doing what you already love: shopping. They even offer special bonuses like an extra 10% cashback for your first 7 days or additional cashback on select stores through their Rakuten Plus membership. For those who regularly shop at premium fashion retailers like Bloomingdale's or Neiman Marcus, the Rakuten Plus membership might be particularly worth it, offering at least 10% cashback on purchases. In the end, Rakuten is a simple and effective way to save money on the things you're already buying, whether it's online, in-store, or even when you're grabbing a bite to eat. Rakuten makes it easy to stack up those cashback rewards. If you're looking to get a little extra money back for your shopping habits, Rakuten could be a great fit.